In this video, you'll learn how to manage your SplitCast account settings, updating your profile, adjusting your time zone, and managing your subscription plan. Let's get everything configured. You just need a SplitCast account. From your dashboard, click the Settings tab. This is your central hub for account configuration. You'll see sections for your organization, subscription, team members, and option to delete your account. Start with your organization information. You can update your organization name and time zone here. Your organization name appears in the top left navigation and is the primary organization for your account. Choose something recognizable. Your time zone affects scheduled game sessions. Find the time zone dropdown and select your local time zone. This ensures that when you schedule a game for 7 p.m., it actually starts at 7 p.m. your time. Double-check this setting if you travel or if your scheduled sessions are starting at unexpected times. The subscription section displays your current plan. This shows whether you're on the free plan or a pro tier. There's an option to subscribe to Pro if you're on the free plan or manage subscription if you're on a pro plan. Free users can pair one device and access core features. Pro plans unlock additional devices, the AI game builder, and premium features like row colors and scheduling. On the free plan and ready for more? Click Upgrade to Pro to complete your upgrade securely at stripe.com. Compare the features and pricing for each tier. Use the plan that best fits your needs and follow the prompts at Stripe to complete the upgrade. The free plan gives you plenty of features to get you started. Upgrade to Pro whenever you are ready. Once upgraded, new features unlock immediately. No need to log out. You can also change plans later if your needs grow or shrink. If you're on a paid plan, you can manage billing using the Manage Subscription button in this section. You'll be redirected to stripe.com where you can update your payment method, view invoices, or cancel your subscription. Changes to your plan take effect at the end of your current billing cycle. If you cancel, you'll keep Pro features until the period you've paid for ends. Quick note: time zone not saving? Make sure you click Save after making changes. If scheduled sessions still seem off, log out and back in to refresh your settings. You've updated organization name, set your time zone, reviewed your plan, and learned how to upgrade or manage billing. Next, we'll cover team and organizations, how to invite team members and manage shared access.